safety has always been a way of life here at Clark-Reliance. We promote this culture and all the training we do with the people who use our products in the field. Our goal is to make sure that everyone involved with our products returns home safely at the end of each day.
For me, awareness to safety is part of our culture. From design, manufacture, and use, how people interact with our products is important. Our products are an extension of our safety culture.
Here at Clark-Reliance, we make safety priority number one. Especially when you're moving bigger product throughout the shop, we take our time and do safety audits and checklists on tow motors, cranes.
Safety is something that we take very serious at Clark-Reliance. We always make sure that our people are outfitted with everything that they need so that they can do the safest job possible.
Safety is everybody's responsibility. So being on the safety committee allows me to be an extra set of eyes and ears for Clark-Reliance. Everybody's awareness and input contribute to a safer work environment.
So safety here at Clark-Reliance is important. It's a culture that needs to be bred, and breeding a culture starts from the top management down. We need to teach and coach our people how to be safer from the top management, so if we see something, we can act on it quickly. It's important to act on it quickly. You're showing your employees that you both care about them and that you feel that their safety is a great concern to you, and it is.